Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to enable Vibrate for shared items notifications on Google Drive. This quick update will make sure you never miss when someone shares important files or folders with you, and your phone will give you a subtle vibration alert every time. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where all the adjustments for your apps and notifications take place. Once you're inside settings, scroll down the list and tap on Apps. This section contains all the applications installed on your device. Next, look for Google Drive and tap on it. Google Drive is the app you'll be customizing. From here, you'll see several options related to the app's storage, data, and notifications. Go ahead and tap on Notifications. Now you'll see different notification preferences specifically designed for Google Drive. Continue by tapping on Notification Categories. This will show you specific categories of alerts that Google Drive can send, so you can decide exactly how each one should appear on your device. Look for the option labeled Shared Items. This category handles the alerts when someone shares a file or folder with you. Tap on Shared Items, and you'll be taken to more detailed notification settings. Here, you'll see the choice to toggle on Vibrate. Make sure the switch is turned on. With this enabled, every time a new file is shared with you, your phone will not only notify you on screen, but also give you a vibration alert. That's it. You've now set up Google Drive, so you'll always feel that light buzz whenever new content is shared with you. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in helping you stay on top of important files without missing a thing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and adjust the setting now, so you're always aware when something new is shared with you on Google Drive. Staying connected and organized has never been easier.